Young's Brewery. This is Mr. Young's side passion, actually, before he started teaching. So when he moved to Hong Kong, he actually comes from a family of expert mixologists. However, he just couldn't pick up the craft. So that's why his business failed in Canada. Sorry, Mr. Young. But so first, we're going to talk about what's in the first beaker. So our first beaker has sodium bicarbonate, sodium carbonate, and water. So why do we have water? Water is known as a universal solvent. So when you put water with those two compounds, it actually separates them. So it turns it into sodium, carbonate, and hydroxide. So that's important. So let's do that first. So we pour, actually have to fill this up with water first, about halfway full. You pour your sodium carbonate solution, about 6 milliliters. Your sodium bicarbonate, about 25 milliliters. Next step. So in our wine glass, we have phenolphthalein. And what does phenolphthalein do? It turns pink when it detects a basic substance. So when it detects the OH, this substance will turn pink. So we'll do that right now. So we put about 2 full syringes. And when we pour this into here, it should turn a bright pink, just like wine.
Oh, looks like a pink wine.
Next, we can turn this into milk. So what do we have for milk? So we have barium chloride in this container. So let's do that first. That's the wrong stuff, actually. Hold on.
Oh.
That's the wrong container. This is the right container, but that's fine because it'll still work the same. Just pour it out. Sorry about that. So, what does that do? It actually makes a double displacement reaction, so it creates barium carbonate, which is insoluble. And so you may be asking, how come this turns back to clear? Well, that's because there's H2O in the final equation. So when H is taken back by the OH, H is taken back by the OH, and solution becomes neutral again, which is clear. So if we do that right now, this should turn into milk.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. Step ahead of Jesus.
In our final step, we have hydrochloric acid and bromothymol blue indicator in this glass. So let's do that first. And as a rule of safety, you should always wear gloves when doing this, especially with hydrochloric acid, as it's extremely caustic and may burn your skin.
You don't know what air's gonna do.
And when you're preparing this, you should not put hydrochloric acid in right away because it has high volatility, which means it'll evaporate quite quickly. So we put about 5 mLs. Close that up. We put our bromothymol blue in here.
It's pronounced bromothymol?
We put about 2 full syringes again. They should also start to change color because of the acid. So then when we put... So let me explain that first. So H ions create unacidic solution, turning the solution yellow because of the bromothymol. The H ions cluster around the BaCO3. The H ions separate the compound and rip an O2 off, which creates carbon dioxide, just like beer. So when we do this, it should foam. Just like beer.
Wow.
Looks like.
And I just taught Mr. Young how to make beer. Thank you.
Is that
That's it.
real?